Monkeys. I am BG Monkey's brother. Or friend. Is it friend or brother?
Friend.
Yeah. I am BG Monkey's friend, YG Monkey. Yellow and green monkey. See that? I'm yellow and green.
I'm BP Monkey.
What?
Nah, I'm playing. I'm Peach Monkey.
Yeah.
What is up?
And we also have brown monkey, I think.
Nah, I'm playing.
Yeah, what happened to my brightness, man? I need my brightness is not.
Why does everybody have this phone?
What do you mean?
Every person, every bear, every human.
No, Mooch sold his phone, and Devin is using his phone.
I mean, it was horrible to watch, but the shot was
So, and we're using Devin's phone right now. So,
Sorry. Ew.
Oh my god.
Gang. All right, let's do this. Let's do this. Balloon. All right, let's.
Alright, so we're gonna rage.
Alright, let's go.
No, because we're all the way at a level 26.
Oh yeah.
Oh god, this is a new level. What happened to my brightness?
That ain't no new levels.
Yes, it is.
Oh.
What happened to my brightness?
I'ma get me my chicken. Then I'ma roll. Hold up, BRB.
No.
To save more people, so it's the same. If Ephraim was going to be sacrificed in order to save a lot of people, to save Lola as well. So.
And Danielle his character has to make those.
Oh my god. This is so stupid.
But even at the end, I even thought the ending was so beautifully wrapped.
There we go. Now it's ready.
He just wants someone to forgive him.
Peach Monkey! Ah! Oh god. Now, did I do this right? These are the hardest levels ever. Corey! I mean, no. Why am I calling Corey? Corey's eating. I mean, Peach Monkey.
And she does that at the end.
Oh, he's just eating. He's not gonna. He's eating. He's the answer anyway. But he never really talks because he's eating. Oh! I made that. 3 guys!
Take a look at it.
You can't go 3 on me! You can't go 3! You can't go 3 on me, man!
Take a look at that. Hey.
Did you just steal Corey's food? Dang it!
Yes.
No! Oh.
But don't tell him.
Okay. I thought he was full.
Sorry.
I hate this! Now it's your turn, Peach Monkey. Oh my god.
Hold on.
That's kind of fun.
Alright.
What do I have to do?
Focus on the bright side. I'm just kidding. You have to survive and rage. You have to rage because this is all about rage.
Chicken.
This game was made for you to rage.
In the gang.
Dang it! Alright, let's go. Peach Monkey, since you're not going, then I'm gonna go with your turn.
Oh.
I'll go see. Ah! No! You have to. What's happening?
I'ma go.
Okay. Ooh.
Right now, switch to unlimited and get an awesome iPhone 7. Switch to Sprint. Now. Get iPhone 7 and get a second iPhone 7.
Yeah. Go solve.
I'm done. My turn. This game is made for me to rage. Made for all of us to rage. So I'm gonna rush through this. I won't die.
I won't.
Really? Yeah, please get out of here. And oh god, you go. What? Okay, that's not gonna work. That's not gonna work. No.
Okay, I'll play.
No, it's my turn.
When am I ever gonna play?
When I lose.
And you say that, then I'm still gonna be waiting.
No, it's because you don't want to play because you're stealing Corey's food and still eating. And you didn't even give it back to him. Right now you can play. Alright, still waiting. I'm doing your turns for you because you're not even playing.
You know what? Just wait till I get done.
I'm gonna redo those likes, but I have one more left. What do I do? Alright guys, I was able to make it here.
Hey, don't be stealing my food.
Mushroom.
Sorry.
So. Oh my god! No! I had to try. The flyer travel, here we go. Flyer travel! Oh my god, that was the best part ever.